the 3R's of waste management. The 3R's are reduce, reuse, and recycle. So first, reduce means to cut back on the amount of trash we generate. So next, reuse means to find a new ways to use things that otherwise would have been thrown away. So last is recycle. So recycle means to turn something old and useless like this. So like plastic jugs, newspapers, and like these bottles. So I'm going to make it to something new or modern. So let's see the outcome. Make sure the string and the bottles are balanced because the plants will be fall and balanced. Now we're done. So this is the outcome. So next one, we're going to put soil here and put some plants here. So let's go. So now we're done putting the soil. So now we're going to get the plants. Plastics serve lots of purposes in our daily life. This video have shown that plastic bottles recycling and the benefits the world stands to gain if we recycle plastic. So when next you empty a plastic bottle, don't just throw it away. Be sure to dispose of plastic in a way that makes it possible for it to get recycled.